the light. I got a frag.
Right here.
Yep. Hold on, I gotta get it out. Okay, you just gotta pull the pin.
Huh?
Do you want to do it or do you want me to?
You can, yeah. Do it.
Where's Fred? Fred's right here. Just pull the pin, chuck it in. No. Ready? Let's go.
Dead.
Dead.
Hit, kill light.
Kill light.
You still have the pin for that?
Yep.
Good. Don't lose that any of it.
Okay, you guys want to go clear it?
We got more coming down. More coming down. More down.
We got 10 moving in, we got a handful of deads at the bottom of the stairs from a frag.
I don't think they realize it's a whole squad.
No, our squad is up, we are killing. Here, I got your pin.
Oh.
There's we got one upstairs.
Yeah.
Two upstairs.
Got it.
Two upstairs.
Thanks.
Two upstairs.
Okay, Jules,
Ready?
let me man door.
Okay.
You ready?
Kill that light.
Kill it.
If you open it again, I got a clear shot.
Somebody else move up here.
I can take it, I'll get the door.
I got the door.
Okay. Whoever that is.
Move up.
Move up.
Stay low, and you can see a silhouette on the stairs.
Ready?
Sit.
Just barely.
Hit!
Okay, medic can room.
Okay, come here. You need to come to this side.
Yeah, what's your location? We're holding stairs, we're all up, but we definitely have Tango coming down these stairs on us.
Arm.
Thank you. Oh, that fucking hurt.
Brandon.
Yeah.
Door. Ready?
No.
Ready?
Fucking not calling that.
You want me to hold the door?
They're running.
Okay. We're passing the door.
They ran.
Coming back. I just unloaded on the dude.
Guys, get off this side of the door, stay on this side. When they breach it, they have nothing to shoot at, and we just fuck them.
Move.
Come on. We got the door.
Move back. I can't. I'm medic. I should not be right here.
Okay,
Okay, Jules.
Brandon, kill that light.
I got the
Like,
door.
kill that light.
Okay, Jules, off the door.
Whoops. Coming back.
Can we get out that door?
No, it's a no play zone.
Everything else is locked.
Wait. There's another one.
Alright, I did pull back.
Oh, it's Jack.
Okay, now let's fuck off. They're pulling back. Let's get the fuck out of
Let's get the
here.
fuck out of here.
Okay, go. Open the door. You just get the fuck out of here.
I'll cover you. Come back. Come back.
There's two. There's a big box. Hey, floor. Like, I think Bravo is here.
Okay, ready? Next two people are coming. Where are we going?
Oh, guys, they're coming.
They're coming! We gotta go!
Fuck, we never got my grenade back.
They're fucking right on our heels, please.
Go in, go in.
Oh, that was mine. I need to get back to that stairwell, though. My grenade's in there.
Clear.
Wait. What's this?
Out. It's outside.
Shit.
You out there? The bathroom? That's a shitter, yeah.
Dead.
Wait.
That's the door outside.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Want me to kick it in?
Guys, we got a door. We gotta blow the back.
got security on.
No, it's moving.
Yeah, it's good.
Want me to try?
Don't worry about it.
Give her a go.
There's something on the other side.
There's nothing on the other side.
No, the security latch is latched.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, it's not moving.
Shit.
Any intel?
No. I am, however, gonna have to get back to that stairwell we were just in. I left a grenade in there. Tornado in the stairwell. Forgot about it. What?
Just leave it there. You're not gonna get it.
$100 grenade.
We're moving again. We're gonna go across the hallway again. Hey,
There we go.
come in, lads.
Oh, back here we go.
Copy that. I think so.
Roger.